Biafrans and friends of Biafrans, good afternoon. I got answer for those Igbo Efulefus who are asking us what are we going to do about our properties that is scattered all over Nigeria, especially in Yoruba land and Hausa land. I mean northern Nigeria. They are busy asking us that we cannot lose our millions of property worth of trillion naira, that we can't afford to lose it. Therefore, they don't want Biafra to be restored. And I got answer for them. Sorry, I'm coming. I got answer for those Igbo Efulefus asking us what are we going to do with our properties. And I tell them, I'm here telling them that what they are doing with all those properties in UK, in Dubai, in United Arab Emirates, in Qatar, in America, they have properties there. They bought a lot of houses. They bank their money, trillions of pounds and dollars, in America, in Qatar, in United Arab Emirates, in Kuwait, in name them. There are many. They bank their money and they have properties worth of billions of pounds and dollars, and they are not bothered. Yes, it's what they are doing with it. There is not their country and they have properties there. It's what we are going to do with our properties in Lagos, in Yoruba land, in Hausa land, in northern Nigeria. Is how we are going to handle it. How they are handling their properties in all over the world, UK, America, United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, Qatar. They have properties there. They have houses there. They run businesses there. So that is how we are going to run our own if Biafra is restored. So let them cool down and know that we know the solution. Let them not bother for us. Let them not worry for us. We know what to do with our properties there. It's how they are doing with theirs now in Kuwait, in UK, in US. In the money they bank in UK, in US, in Arab lands, is how we are going to deal with our own when Biafra is restored. So they should not drink paracetamol upon our properties. It's not theirs. So therefore, let them go and sit down for dirty. They don't know what they are doing. They don't know what they are saying. And again, I got answer for those asking us, what are we going to do with our in-laws, our children, that we have intermarried with Yorubas, with Hausas, and all over Nigeria? What are we going to do about them? How are we going to relate? And I got answer for that. We are scattered all over the world. We are scattered. We are residing in China, in US, in America, in Australia, in China, in Japan, everywhere, name them, all over the world. And we married non-Igbos, we married non-indigenous, and we are having a lot of children with them, I mean. And we are not the indigenous, but we are having children and we intermarried with them, white people and many of ethnic nationalities. We married with them now, and later we go back peace-free. Some will come back with us, some will not come back if they like. Some may not come back, some will come back. Now is how we are going to deal with our people married to Yorubas and Hausas and all ethnic group in Nigeria. We are intermarried. So it's how we are going to deal with them. Do you know how we are dealing with all the people we have married now? Non-Igbo, non-indigenous. We are living in their places, but we are married. We are happily married, and when going home, we take them along. Is how we are going to deal with it. So chill, don't worry, don't bother yourself. And I got answer for those Igbo Efulefus and Yoruba Efulefus and many Efulefus in Igbo asking questions, asking us how are we going to deal with our land, that our land is small, we don't have massive land. And I asked them, Luxembourg, Iceland, many of them, Holland, they are smaller than Anambra State, but their own country now, they are living very good, they are living well, they are making it, and they don't have oil. That is how we are going to deal with ours when Biafra is restored. So don't bother yourself asking us that we don't have landmass or we don't have oil. Meanwhile, we have oil. Many countries of the world, they don't have oil, but they are doing great. China, they don't have oil. Japan, they don't have oil. UK, they don't have oil. US, they don't have oil. Holland, they don't have oil, but they are doing well. So chill, don't bother yourself asking us how are we going to cope when Biafra is restored. And I asked our past and present leaders this question: is it not the same oil Nigeria have that Dubai have, and Saudi Arabia and Kuwait and United Arab Emirates? They have the same oil. Even Nigeria have oil more than them, but their country is good. They create employment all over the land. There is good roads all over the land. There is pipe-borne water all over the land. Is it not the same oil they have that Nigeria have? Is the question for our present and past leader supposed to answer. And they don't travel. They stay back home and enjoying their wealth, God-given wealth, natural resources. And here we are in the foreign land, and we have the same oil. We have the same oil which Arab land have, like Dubai, United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Kuwait. None of their citizens traveled. All of them were at home, enjoying the wealth of the land. They don't come here to seek for asylum. They don't come here to do the cleaning job. They don't come here to do security job. They don't come here to go and do carer and house help and nanny. Here we are, scattered all over the world. And the worst part of it is that Nigerians are coming to Europe through the desert, drowning in the Mediterranean Sea, taking the dangerous journey, the most dangerous journey on earth, the desperate journey. They chose to die in the sea instead of staying back home, because they find out that staying back home is worse than hell. And I ask, what are they doing with our wealth? And many Nigerians are asking this question. Many Nigerians, they have beginning to ask this question and said, what are we doing with our wealth? The present and the past leaders since Nigeria started. There is no road in Nigeria. There is no light in Nigeria. There is no pipe-borne water in Nigeria. There is no employment in Nigeria. That is why crime full everywhere. Criminal full everywhere. Kidnapping full everywhere. That is the cause. Because if they have job, after going to their jobs in the evening, they will get tired and rest they won't have time to think of committing of crime. That is simple question I'm asking our present and past leader. That is why we say no to Nigeria, because it has been long. We are waiting patiently so that Nigeria will be good again. Waiting, thinking that Nigeria will change. Now, we don't want to belong to Nigeria anymore. We want our own separate country to go and build our land and go back and live relaxed and comfortable life, because the life we are living abroad is worse than slavery. During the slavery time is better than now, because go and watch desperate journeys in the sea. They are traveling to come to Europe and they are drowning in the sea. I watch them and I weep. I say, wow, what is happening? I weep. I say, it's better than those tapes and videos